Hi everybody, Crafting Journey here. I'm Rebecca. Welcome. I'm here to announce that as of Sunday, we will have subscriptions available to my crafting channel. As you know, most of you know, I have been doing a morning show Monday through Friday that I usually have posted 10:30-ish. People are calling me the crafting anchor, news anchor. I've got a really unique interview coming up. I've got some exciting stuff that I try to bring to the community. I try to promote all of the different activities and events and collaborations that are going on in the community and let you guys know where you can go to tune into those events and how you can participate in those events. But I do need help with supporting my channel. Bringing content to my channel costs money, and I would love to have you guys as members of my channel. There are 3 different levels. The first level is $1.99 per month. The second level is $4.99 per month, and the third level is $9.99 per month. Now, what do you get for the membership? You get exclusive content. I will do members only lives. I will be doing behind the scenes sneak peeks, some vlogging. I will mention you all in my videos. I have a list of my Patreons. I will also list the members of my channel. And if you're in one of my chats, you'll see your name is a different color. And that's why, because you are a member of my channel. You'll see the blue are the moderators, but other people are in different colors depending how long they've been members of my channel. So that membership will help to support the channel, and it'll help me to bring you guys more content. So I would appreciate your support. If you see next to the subscribe button, there should be a join button that will allow you to become a member of my channel. Also available for every live is the super chat. It allows you to get my attention. If there's a lot of people in chat, it allows you to do a one-time donation to the channel. So all of those things now are available on my channel, and I would love it if you guys would take advantage of them and go on this journey with me. So everybody, thank you so much and take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.